have to take it off.
Ah, right. Commencing drone mode. Thermal imaging is showing me 24 hostiles on the 3rd floor. Why don't I drop you off on the 2nd?
Drop it.
I said drop it!
I'll kill her!
Believe me, I'll do it!
I believe you. It's okay. I'm a friend of your son's.
I figured. The cape?
Late, says the white rabbit.
40 seconds to animation.
Right, rabbit? Out of tricks, out of time, and one bat head short.
30 seconds to animation.
That'll be the cook. Excuse me. Gotham roast. Well done. Hello. Break the bad news.
I'd rather do the breaking in person.
20 seconds to animation.
You've lost.
I don't know how to lose.
You'll learn.
I'll learn. I don't hate the sinner. I hate the sin.
10 seconds to animation.
And yours, my friend, is existing.
8.
I cannot let you win. I gave the bat a fighting chance to do it, but he was not strong enough.
4.
So, if man won't kill God,
2. 1.
the devil will do it.
are total blackouts in the north and to the northwest of the city. Federal authorities trying to determine if this is part of a larger terrorist attack.
Ancient Kryptonian deformity. The blood of my blood. Born to destroy you. Your doomsday. Now God is good as dead.
POTUS joining.
Mr. President.
What the hell is it, Calvin? These are live images from the top of the LexCorp Tower in downtown Metropolis. Military aircraft are on the scene.
Are you hurt, ma'am?
I'm okay!
Good, you're gonna be all right, okay?